mean, I'm sure. I mean, I assume the best of people, but I feel like without either some type, I don't know, without.
We just got an email like a few months ago that they changed at that time, but they also changed. I don't want to play actually. I love you. Place. Because they also chose to do that.
He's okay.
They also chose to do it right in the middle, or right at the end of our Christmas break. So we also had like the paycheck that did come in was like smaller than normal.
Yeah.
Because some of the day, like half of the break was on it.
Yeah.
It's just like that timing. So I just kept thinking that was the reason, because my paycheck that I'm gonna get in a